Forest ecology. So, abiotic, the non-living components of ecosystems, all physical and chemical conditions, for example, physiology and climate. Abiotic factors, non-living factors of the environment, abundance, numbers of organisms in a given population, acclimatization, adaptation to different climate, acid substance with pH less than 7 due to prevalent hydrogen ions. Acid tends to be sour and corrosive. Acid rain, precipitation heavy with nitric and sulfuric acid. Most of it is generated from sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide air pollution. Each pH is less than 5.6. Results includes fish and plants deaths, corrosion, groundwater pollution, and soil erosion. Its long-term effects are unknown. Post-adaptation, how living things change to survive in a particular environment. In this, organisms are not the passive recipients of external circumstances. Aeroplankton, tiny organisms living in the atmosphere, certain small seeds, bacteria, and spores are examples. Air pollution, sulfuric oxide and particulates from industrial plants. Burning fossil fuels are the current worst forms of air pollution. Alkaline, pH over 7, also called basic, neutralizes acid with combined chemically. Allogenic, originating outside a system. Alpha diversity or local diversity, a variety of organism in a given habitat or in a given habitat or location. Alternative fuels, fuels from sources cleaner than coal or petroleum products, ethanol, methanol, natural gas, solar wind, biochemical, biodiesel from vegetable oil, etc. Alternate, plant communities that alternately occupy a territory. Ammonia, gaseous compounds of nitrogen and hydrogen forms as a byproducts when bacteria decompose substances high in nitrogen. Tapos, atmospheric deposition, contamination of land or water by atmospheric pollutants. Ecology, a branch of ecology that focuses on the relationship and interaction between individuals of a species under a biotic environment. Autogenic, originating from within a system. Autotrophs, organism that derives energy from inorganic sources or inorganic chemical reaction. Background extension rate, a natural rate of extension for a species, benthic organism living on the sea floor. Biocenosis, the interacting organism living together in a habitat. Biocentric, putting the natural world rather than the human world as a perceived center of cosmic. The land is not made for us, we are a part of it. Biological oxygen demand, or the BOD, the amount of oxygen required to dissolve or decompose organic matter. A water quality measurement is often applied to treated seaweed. Biocontrol, a natural mean like predators to control pests, like growing gingers to repel snails or ground fish placed in a water storage container to eat incoming mosquitoes. Bioculture, Bioculture. Paul Taylor's terms on how humans exploit other living things, decomposite animals, animals for the feeding, livestock, etc. Biodegradable, reducible by bacteria. Biodiversity, the abundance, variety, and genetic variability of animals and plants in the nature. Biogas, the methane and carbon dioxide emission due to breakdowns of organic matters by anaerobic bacteria used as an alternative fuel source. Biogeochemical cycling, a continuous flows of chemical uh, chemical treatments through an through an ecosystem. Living and non-living components includes both biotic includes both biotic and abiotic portions.